Hi there. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add some additional content to this website, the Club Grubbery media website. So so here it is. It's awesome. So we need to just basically get all this like the latest episode data up to date. So I'm going to break this video down into a couple of parts. So the first one is going to be how to log into the site. Second part after that is going to be a little bit of a sort of overview of the dashboard of the website. The website's built with WordPress, so you can go to Google and look up anything about WordPress if you are keen to learn more about WordPress and the dashboard and everything like that. I am also available to help if you need any help. So, and then after that little preview of the dashboard, which is not going to be much, I'll just go over the simple stuff. Then we will get cracking into how to add the new voices section in here. And then basically have them display in this list here under voices, but then if you go into say nurses, then all the nurses with voices videos are here, and the doctors and the athletes and any other sort of general report, they sit here. So alright, so let's get cracking, shall we? So the first thing you need to want to do is log into the dashboard of the website. So to do that, you're going to go to the domain name clubgrubbery.com.au, then you go /wp-admin, and then click enter on that, and then this brings you to the login screen. Now then you'll put in the username, which I have supplied, and I've also got a password for you, so you'll pop that in there as well, and you go ahead and click on login. Alright, cool. So now you're in the dashboard. So this is the WordPress dashboard. It's the first screen you will enter when you come in. You can move these things around if you want, like I'm doing here. That'll be like this when you log in because it's under your login. So then we got the sidebar down here. Now I don't want to get too crazy about this. We're just going to take you into the posts area, which is pretty much where the content is going to go. But I will sort of go over like all the pages of the website are under all pages here, or under pages. And you're generally just going to sort of stick with kind of adding mainly posts to the site. I'm not going to go too crazy about this tutorial, so we're just going to stick to what you're going to be doing by adding the content on the website. So let's go into, I'll just go into pages here, and then you'll see like all the pages here. So you get about, got the blog, got a contact. There is actually no blog page on the website, so you don't really have to worry about that. Then we've got a contact page thank you, so that comes up after they enter their information in the form. A little thank you page. Got events, got a home, got privacy policy, which is in draft, which might be a good idea to get some content for this. Sponsors and support. So you're not really going to worry too much about any of this stuff. I mean, if you wanted to go and edit anything, say on the home page, you just go and click on, say, edit here, or you can click on home here, and this will take you into the page editor for the home page. So if you want to come in here and change any of the wording under the about us, just to add another paragraph, you just sort of add more content. If you want to change the images here, just click on the image, go to replace open media library, and then you can select a file from your computer and just drop it in here. And or you can go and choose a media. These are all the images that are in the media library already. But that's pretty much how you do that. And yeah, so if you want to change any of these, you probably won't change any of these, but yeah, essentially you'll just change little bits of content here or there. You may want to change these images as well. Might be a good idea. So, but yeah, if you get stuck with anything, or if you want me to do anything for you that you're not sure about, just send me an email and maybe just a little instruction on what you need done. And once you've updated everything, click this update button up here. That sort of saves the page content that you've just changed, and then away you go. Okay, to go back to the dashboard, click on the logo up the top left hand corner, and this will take you back to in here. Okay, so let's go to posts now. So this is where currently all four, so let me just go to the front page of the website. So if I go to voices here, then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 voices so far. So so basically you're just going to want to go and edit or add things that are now currently you know, needing to add to here. So I'll come over to the Rumble page here, which is the Royal Australian page. This is where I'm getting the content from. So if we go down to pretty much all the way down to here, this one here, Club Grubbery Doctors with Voices, Dr. Pierre Corey, part 1 of 2 parts. So that is the very latest one here that has been added to the website. So the easiest way to update this particular post here, or this video, or I'll call it a post because that's what it is. So yeah, to sort of, we want to, what I'm going to sort of show you quickly how to do. So we've got part 2 up here of Dr. Pierre Corey. So instead of creating a brand new post, I'm going to just add that video to the already existing one here, and I'm going to update the title. So I'll show you how to do that really quickly. So I'm going to go into quick edit here. I'm going to go parts 1 and 2. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste that directly into the slug. So we're going to update that. So now, now we're going to go in and edit that post, and you'll notice that there's a bunch of JavaScript in here. So this is basically the script for the video. So if I go into the video itself here, this is the one I'm going to add. We click on the embed here, and then we're going to use the JavaScript option. So click on in the JavaScript, and then we're going to copy that code. Then we're going to come back to this post here, or this bit of code here, and I'm going to duplicate this block. So then we've got 2 of these. Then I'm going to clear out this block here. Okay, and then I'm going to paste in that new embed code that we just got for this video. So we're going to make sure that the title is correct. So we've got Club Grubbery Doctors with Voices, Dr. Pierre Corey, parts 1 and 2, because this is going to be part 1 and part 2. I'm going to go and update that page, and let's go and have a look now. So now this post now shows parts 1 and 2. I click on the image there, and you'll now notice that both videos are showing up on that particular voice. So you don't have to worry about adding this particular video, because I've already done it for you. But I just wanted to show you, instead of creating 2 separate posts for, because you know, Dr. Malone has part 2, and then we got Dr. Malone part 1 down here. So you're going to want to basically create one new post and just have both videos there, and that would just be the easiest way to sort of add them. And the reason we're doing that, the reason why it's best to do that, is because some people are going to want to watch parts 1 and 2 together. So or they may want to come back and watch, you know, they want to do part 1 first and then come back and do part 2 later. It's up to them, but it's all under the same voice, if you know what I mean. So if they go to Doctors, you know, they'll see the Doctors, Dr. Pierre Corey parts 1 and 2. So, but I'm going to show you how to add a brand new video. So we're going to go down to well, I'm going to show you how to put up this Club Grubbery One Nation part 1, and then of course there's part 2 of One Nation here. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to basically just add. I'm going to add this one or these 2 videos and show you how to actually do that, and then yeah, and then you can sort of go ahead and add the rest as you see fit. So yeah, because the reason why I'm doing One Nation is because it is the most it's pretty much the video that's straight after Dr. Pierre Corey parts 1 and 2. So it's in times format or date format of when the videos were added or were recorded and when they were added to Rumble. So okay, so let's go back to the dashboard here, and let's go and add a new post. So the title of the post is going to be well, first of all, I'm going to go into this video here. So Club Grubbery Up Close with One Nation Part 1. I'll copy, so I'm going to just highlight that. I'm going to copy that text, go back to the new post here, and paste that in there, and I'm going to just get rid of that, and I'm going to just go up close with One Nation parts. I'll just put parts 1 and 2 because I'm going to put both videos. Then I'm going to click this little plus icon here, and I'm going to, in the search bar, go HTML because that's the block that we're going to need. So I'll pop that in there. Then I'll go to Club Grubbery Rumble page to this video here, and we're going to go to embed. And again, like before, just click in there, and we're going to copy that code, come back over here, we're going to paste that code inside there. We're going to come up here, and we're going to duplicate this, and then we're going to go back to Rumble, and I'm going to go into One Nation, so the One Nation Part 2 video here. I'm going to go click on embed, click on the code, copy that, and I'm going to clear all of this out, and I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is click on this post item here, and we're going to come to categories here. I'm going to click on voices for the categories, and so it's not an athlete, it's not a doctors, it's not nurses, so I'm going to put it under reports and panels here. So yeah, I'm not sure if there's going to be another category that we want to add for political sort of parties or political interviews, but like politicians with voices, maybe another category for that. But I'll just wait, maybe confirm that with John and Hoodie with you guys before we add that. But for the time being, I'm just going to put under reports and panels. And under voices as well. Now the other thing we need to do is we need to get a featured image for this post here, because this image here is an image. Okay, so if I go and open image in a new tab, then that's the video image right there. So this is where it gets a little bit tricky in how to get this video basically this video image. So what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll go to the very first post here, so the very first video on Rumble for this particular interview. So we want to kind of grab this. Well, actually, what we could do is we could go into the video, close the ad. Maybe I might grab this here, or no, because we can't have just the part 1 in there. Let's go. So we'll just go to here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Now I'm on a Mac, all right? So if you're on a PC, then it might be a little bit, you've got to use the snipping tool or some way to just take a screenshot. Maybe just Google it, how to take a screenshot with a PC, and it will tell you how to do that. But you just essentially got to create a video, an image out of this screenshot, right? So on a Mac, if you're on a Mac, you go, I think it's Apple, or it's might be Command. Yeah, Command Shift 4, and that gets you this screenshot sort of tool here. So I'm just going to grab this, and I'm also going to just screenshot it so that the sort of the Rumble video. Okay, so that's now there. So now the size of the image is kind of important as well. So the size of this image that I've got here is 1210, right? Okay, so there's a really cool website. Just go to squoosh.app. I'm going to go into my Finder here and open up my Finder. Doesn't want to seem to play ball here. There it is. So I'm going to go to desktop and I'm going to drag this image into here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to resize. It's a bit slow. My computer is having a bit of fun. I'm going to go to resize here, and I'm going to go into the width here and go to just 1200 on this one. I'll leave the height 644. Then I'm going to go to I'm going to keep it as a JPEG, Moz JPEG, and I am going to save it out like that. So we're going to click the download button. So now that's downloaded to my computer. It's actually over here in my downloads. Just going to drop that into the desktop. So I'm going to delete that one, and I'm going to rename this to One Nation Part 1 and 2. Cool. Then I've got, so that's the video image there. So then I'm going to come back to my post here, and I'm going to click on Set Featured Image. I'm going to then go to Upload Files, click on Select Files, go to Desktop, and now I'm going to upload that image. So there it is sitting there, and we'll go Set Featured Image, and now we've got that video sitting right there, and that is pretty much all we need to do. So just go and click on Publish at the top here, go to press it twice. Now what we're going to do is come back, I'm going to clear these out. Come back to the video, the website here, and you'll notice that on the home page here, this post here has updated. So this is the latest episode that's been added. So this will change when you add more posts or more videos to the website. So I'm going to go to Voices. I'm going to go click on Voices, and then you'll notice that now the so see, all these ones are a little bit different, the screenshots, but it's fine if they're like that. No problem at all. So and then so this one is here. Then I click on this particular voice or this interview, and then we've got the two videos sitting there, part one and part two, ready to be watched. And they're also under reports here, so that's sitting there as well. So that is that. So if somebody comes in and goes CG reports, they'll see the One Nation parts 1 and 2 here, and then voila, there you go, it's already in. And then they can go and click on that and go ahead and watch the videos. So that's it. I've got to update this this top banner here with the right color green as well, so I'll do that. But yeah, that's essentially it. That's the process. So logging in, adding the new post, adding the post title, adding the embed code from Rumble, clicking on embed here, getting the code, popping them into the new post, having the two there. If there's two, obviously if there's just the one video, then you're just going to add the one video. So talking to Millie Fontana. So there's only one video there, so you're going to be adding just the one video. So that would, I think that would generally be the next video. This is the next one that you'd probably be adding to the site, because that's the next one in the series, until you go all the way up to the top, where you've got the very latest video here that's been added. So this technically here will be the one that should be the most up-to-date video that you've got on the website. So you've got to go and add all these ones in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions or have any problems or anything with this process, just re-watch the video again, and you'll get your bearings again. That photo editing website was Squoosh, so SQUOOSH.app. So that's how you can go and resize the images down to a smaller file size and a smaller dimension file size as well, down to like that 1200 pixels, which is pretty ideal. And and then of course, if you have any changes you want to be made to the website, just let me know as well, and I'll get that done for you. So I hope this video helps, and I look forward to seeing the content up on the website. And again, reach out if you have any questions. Alrighty, bye for now. I'll leave it to you. Bye for now.